Video isn't going to be anything special other than we're checking the old catch can before we go to Bloomington. So that's what the interior looks like. I don't remember from the first video years ago if we've addressed that, but the inlet side goes from here, and then the baffling goes for the outlet. That way it separates the oil from the air, and then comes into here. And this is what we've got in the catch can. I don't remember the last time I changed this was, because I haven't driven the car in like a year and a half, so it's probably a year and a half ago. So this is what we caught after maybe 100 or so miles. Just some dirty oil. So that would have went back into the intake, which would have been bad, because we don't like burning oil in our intakes, do we? I don't. I'm assuming you guys don't either, otherwise you wouldn't be watching this wondering about an oil catch can. So they do work, but I do recommend you buy one that does not have this drain thingy on it, because it leaks, and I've had to seal it up to keep it from doing that. Otherwise it leaks all the way down into the car. So in the case of mine, it just bolts into that little stud down there coming up off the strut tower. And then this is how this thing sits. Just sits here under this, and you just tighten the two 10 millimeters. So anytime you need to take it off, you just undo, well, you undo your oil cap, pull that acoustic cover off, and then bust the two 10 millimeter nuts off, and then lift that up out of the way to where this clears the stud, and then you can lift this out and then dump it, unscrew it and dump it. So that's how I do the oil catch can dumping procedure. That actually does work. I recommend it. And yep, so this thing will be, I guess one of the next videos you'll be seeing on it is it with all of its brethren and all the Corvettes at Bloomington Gold. Because we're not taking the Corvette this year. I've taken the Corvette since 2011 to Bloomington. They're allowing Camaros in this year, so Camaro's going. First time. I'll get some pictures of it on the racetrack. I plan on driving it on the racetrack. So, alright. Thanks for watching, guys. Peace.